Hi everyone, my name is Gopi. I am working as a digital marketer at Genel Technologies. Today I am going to explain digital marketing freelance opportunities. What are the freelancing opportunities we have in digital marketing? I am going to explain. In this, we have to know the what is digital marketing, what is freelancing job, and what are the opportunities we have in digital marketing. As a freelancer, he starts with in digital marketing is good for and what this freelancing is good in digital marketing. I'm going to explain, and in this I have given best and useful guide for freelancing opportunity in digital marketing. To the introduction, as a digital marketing in freelancer in digital marketing, we have to know the what is this digital marketing and what is this freelancing job and what is freelancing digital marketing. First, coming to the what is digital marketing. You may all know digital marketing is growing day by day and it is the future of work from home. Is digital marketing is best way to choose to build your success. In this digital marketing, it is the use of internet and is advertising delivered through the digital channels. Without internet, there is no digital marketing. Internet is the everyone is using internet, so this digital marketing has future also. In this way, this is the backbone of digital marketing. And next, by advertising as by you by to advertise we use in this digital marketing we use some digital channels that are social media, mobile apps, email, web apps, search engines, or any digital channels. This is the digital marketing work process. And what is freelance job? Freelance job is one where a person work for themselves rather than for a company or any organization. They do take on contract work for companies or organizations. They are ultimately self-employed. They are come in self-employed. They are like self-employed and they got self-satisfaction also. This is the freelance job. And coming to the in this digital marketing, what is freelancing job? What is freelancing digital marketing? With the freelance digital marketing, you are basically helping the companies or any organization to promote their products and services in online. In this, your job is to reach out, turn your client's target audience, and drive them to your clients' websites and convert them as a paying customers. This is the freelance job in digital marketing. As a freelancer, you have to follow this process. And coming to the what are the opportunities we have in digital marketing and what are the modules we have to select the freelance job in digital marketing. Here I have given some freelance opportunities in digital marketing, and these are the best modules in digital marketing that are campaign management, content strategy, community management, digital marketing, social media marketing experts and specialists, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, marketing automation, email marketing, lead generation, market research, market strategy, public relations, and sales. These are the freelancing opportunities in digital marketing. In this, and first coming campaign management. This is the best module in digital marketing, and this is the first one also. What is this campaign management? What are the opportunities we have in this campaign management? And what we have to follow as a campaign management? What a freelancer job is to play a role in campaign management. First, coming to the what is this campaign management? Campaign management means identifying strategies you will use to support your business goals. You have to design and planning, testing and monitoring the campaign and analyzing the results along the way also. In this, you have to follow the plan, planning, campaign setup, test marketing, implementation, reporting, analysis, and optimization. These are the steps to follow in this campaign management. And next, what are the opportunities we have in campaign management? That are by doing as a social media management, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, social media advertising, email marketing, paid media, and PPC marketing, pay per click marketing. As a social media management, you use the social networks for campaign management. You have to build and you have to plan and create your own campaign in social media networks, and you have to promote these campaigns by using social media. And this is also belongs to social media advertising also. And next, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing. In this affiliate marketing, we provide some links to and some services or products to our customers or audience. Once they pay through your links, what the link is provided by you. In this, by doing this affiliate marketing, you have got some earnings also. And next, content marketing. In this content marketing, you create some content and you design your own content from what template they have given. You have to create some content and promote that content in your social networks also. Email marketing is the best way to campaign management. And next, paid media and PPC marketing, pay per click marketing also best way to campaign management. And coming to community management. What is this community management? Is the process of building an authentic community among a business customers or employees and partners through different types of interaction. This is the interaction between the from customers interaction between the to the customers or to the employees and to any business companies. You have to build interaction between them, and this gives the community management. And it is how brand uses opportunities in person or online to interact with their audience to create a network in which they can connect and share and grow. By using this community management, you have to grow and share, and you have to create your network in your field or any business or any organization. You have to build this community management to grow your business. And next, what are the opportunities in this in community management we have? That are social media management, copywriting, community engagement, community moderation, community strategy, content creation, customer engagement, and customer support, event planning, and industry research. These are the different types of opportunity we have in community management. And next, coming to the content strategy. What is this content strategy? What are the opportunities we have in content strategy? First, content strategy is the process of planning, creation, delivery, and governance of content to attract and retain clearly defined audience and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. As a content strategy, you have some planning and creativity and delivered, and you have to attract the your customers or audience, and it ultimately grow your drive also. And it you have to create some profitable profitable actions from your customers also. By this content, you have to build the profitable action from your customers. And what are the opportunities we have in freelancing opportunities we have in content strategy? That are as the analysis, content audit, content distribution and promotion, guidelines, content management, content creation, planning and research, marketing management, strategy, and SEO, search engine optimization. These opportunities, freelancing opportunities we have in content strategy. Coming to the digital marketing. Before I explain, before I already explained the digital marketing, what is this digital marketing, what are the modules we have in digital marketing. Digital marketing is also best way to choose a freelancing job in digital marketing. And what are the opportunities we have in, what are the best opportunities we have in digital marketing, that are social media, management, influencer marketing, social media advertising, content marketing, email marketing, paid media, search engine marketing and search engine optimization. This is the best and top modules in digital marketing. Coming to the email marketing. What is this email marketing? In this email marketing, what we have to do? What are the opportunities we have in email marketing? It is the form of direct marketing that uses electronic mail as a means of communicating commercial messages to an audience to promote your business products or services. It is a process of communicate with your customers, and you have to build engagement. By this email marketing is the best way to promote your and increase your lead generations and increase your nurturing also. This is the best way to start your freelancing hours. And what are the opportunities we have in this email marketing, that are copywriting, tracking and analysis, segmentation and targeting, campaign management, email campaign setup, email marketing strategy, template design and development, lead generation, nurturing, marketing automation, and messenger marketing strategy. These are the opportunities we have in email marketing as a freelancer. And the marketing strategy. First, for your business, you need marketing. What type of marketing, what are the marketing strategies we have to follow? I will explain. What is marketing strategy? A marketing strategy refers to a business's overall game plan for reaching prospective consumers and turning them into as customers of the products or services the business provides. What are the services and products provided by the business or any organization? They have to turn into the consumers into customers. And what are the strategies we have to follow? And what are the marketing strategies we have to follow the consumers convert into the customers? And here I have given some marketing strategy opportunities in freelancing, that are influencer marketing, content marketing, direct marketing, email marketing, event marketing, offline marketing, public relations, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing. These are the opportunities in marketing strategy. And next, coming to the public relations. What is this public relations? And what type of public relation, what way to build your relation with your public, or this is the relationship between any employee or any audience or any customer or any organization. It is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationship between any organization and the publics. This builds beneficial relationship between you and your organization, or organizations and the publics, and you and your company also. Public relations, you have to build a relationship between organization and the publics and you and your company also. And what are the opportunities we have in public relations that are you worked as a content writing, community relations, corporate social responsibility, in crisis management, in employee relations, in event planning, in market research, and in media research and media pitches also, and in media relations, and in press distribution, press release, public affairs, social media marketing. In this way, your freelancing in this way, these are the freelancing opportunities in public relations. In this way, your role is placed in public relations. And coming to the sales. Sales. What is this sales? What are the opportunities we have in this sales? First, sale is a term used to describe the activities that lead to the selling of goods or any services. Businesses have sales organizations that are broken up into different teams, and the sales teams are often determined based on the region they are selling to and the products or services they are selling. In this way, they grow their sales and products. And so, sales is so say in sales engagement, we have different types of opportunities that are competitive analysis, business planning and strategy, lead generation, market research, negotiation, partnership development, relationship management, sales development, sales management, and telemarketing. These are the ways to get a freelancing job in sales department. And coming to the marketing automation. What is this marketing automation? What are the opportunities we have in marketing automation? This automation is technology that manages marketing process and multifunctional campaigns across multiple channels automatically. Marketing and sales departments are marketing automation to automate online marketing campaigns and sales activities to both increase the revenue and maximize your efficiency. This works on automatically, and this marketing is going on, going in automatically, and it reaches to your customers or in customers of people. This marketing automation also is the best way to grow your business. And what are the opportunities we have in marketing automation that are as a advertising and promotion, analysis and branding, content marketing, CRM, email marketing, lead generation, loyalty marketing, market research, messenger marketing, omni-channel marketing, operations and workflow, pricing and sales management, search engine optimization, social media marketing. In this way, opportunities to build your career, your freelancing, to build your self-employment in marketing automation and search engine marketing and search engine optimization. These two are the top and best modules in digital marketing. As a freelancer in these both fields have number of different types of opportunities we have. And what is this search engine marketing and search engine optimization? Search engine marketing is a digital marketing strategy and it is used to increase the visibility of a website in search engine results pages. And search engine marketing is also alternatively referred to as a paid search or pay per click. This is search engine marketing. And in this, we have different types of opportunities that are PPC campaign setup and management, audit, copywriting, as a competitive analysis, as a budgeting and forecasting, as a tracking and analysis, as a SEM strategy, A/B testing, audience targeting, build look like audiences, campaign optimization, API integration, pixel setup and optimization, product catalog setup and optimization, retargeting, search engine marketing, keyword research. These are the opportunities we have in search engine marketing. And coming to the search engine optimization, what is the search engine optimization? Is the art and science of getting pages to rank higher in search engines such as Google, because search is one of the main ways in which people discover content online. Ranking higher in search engines can lead into an increase in traffic to a website. This is search engine optimization. And in this, we have on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, content SEO, backlinking and outreach, competitive analysis, conversion rate optimization, performance monitoring, SEO audit, SEO keyword research, SEO strategy, setup, and configuration. These are the roles in SEO. And coming to lead generation. What is this lead generation? How to get leads in your website or any topic. How to convert these leads into your customers. And what are the opportunities we have in lead generation? I'm going to explain. First, what is lead generation? Lead generation is the process of attracting and converting strangers and prospects in someone who has indicated interest in your company's products or any services. Some examples of lead generators are job applications, blog posts, coupons, live events, and online content. And here I have given some opportunities in lead generations that are appointment setting, data cleansing, data entry, data mining, email marketing, lead generation strategy, content creation, lead nurturing, list building, market research, sales development, and social media and telemarketing. These are the leads in lead generation. And market research. What is this market research? In market research, what type of and what we have to research in market. First, market research is the process of determining the visibility of a new service or product through research conducted directly with potential customers. And it allows a company to discover the target market and get opinions and other feedback from consumers about their interest in products or services. This is the market research. And in this, we have brand research, competitive analysis, advertising research, audience targeting, communication development and testing, concept development and testing, customer experience and shopper insights, data analysis, design and usability research, market analysis, market segmentation, new product innovation, pricing research, satisfaction research, tracking studies. In this way, market research will grow. And in this, these are the opportunities we have in market research as a freelancer. Coming to the final one, social media marketing. What is this social media marketing? In this, what we have to do, what a freelancer is doing in social media marketing, and what are the opportunities we have in this social media marketing. I'm going to explain. First, what is this social media marketing? Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote products or any services. Although the terms e-marketing and digital marketing are still dominant in academia, social media marketing is becoming more popular for both practitioners and researchers. One thing I have to say is digital social media marketing is digital marketing and digital marketing social media marketing. Both are related to one thing only, and social media marketing is the best way to do digital marketing also. And this is the opportunities we have in social media marketing. By doing this social media marketing, we can easily promote and grow our business also, and promote our products and services also. People will get easily interact with us also by doing this social media marketing. And in this social media marketing, we have some opportunities that are social media management, Facebook advertising, influencer marketing, social media account setup, advertising and content creation, marketing strategy, and copywriting, tracking and analysis, audience research, campaign management and setup, community management, graphic design, and messenger marketing. In social media marketing, we have two best marketing researches that are Facebook advertising and email marketing. These two are the best for social media marketing. People will get easily to reach with you, reach you. And finally, I want to say in above I have given some best modules in digital marketing and best opportunities in digital marketing also. As a freelancer, career build and self-employed or anything, is the digital marketing is best and useful to freelancer. One thing I have to say, the person who is career start as a digital marketing and who is self-employed by doing freelancing job in digital marketing is the best way to start career with digital marketing, is the best way, and it gives you the best success and grow your self, and it gives self satisfaction also. This digital marketing is the best way to choose to get success and grow your business also. Thank you.